Hello, today we will guide you through how to import bank transactions from Excel CSV file into QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main homepage. This is where you'll access the banking tools used to bring in transaction data from a spreadsheet file. Before you start, it helps to have your Excel or CSV file ready and easy to find on your computer, since you'll be selecting it shortly. Once you're in QuickBooks, move your mouse over Accounting in the left side navigation menu. Don't click just yet if your menu expands on hover. The goal here is simply to open up the accounting options so you can get to the correct section for importing transactions. From that menu, click Bank Transactions. This will take you to the banking area, where QuickBooks lets you review connected accounts and also upload transactions manually from a file. This option is especially useful if your bank isn't connected or if you need to import older activity. When the Bank Transactions page opens, look to the top right area of the screen and click the drop-down menu there. This menu contains additional actions related to banking activity, including the file upload option you'll need for this process. From the drop-down, choose Upload from File. This tells QuickBooks that instead of pulling transactions directly from a bank connection, you want to import them manually from an Excel or CSV file. If you're using a CSV, make sure the file is formatted cleanly so the upload goes more smoothly. Next, browse for your sample file or the transaction file you want to import. A file selection window will appear, allowing you to locate the spreadsheet on your device. Take a moment here to confirm you've chosen the correct file, especially if you keep multiple exports in the same folder. After selecting the file, upload it and follow the on-screen procedure. QuickBooks will guide you through the remaining setup, which may include confirming the account, matching columns from your file, and checking the transaction details before final import. Read each screen carefully so the data goes into the right place. Once everything looks correct, continue through the prompts to complete the import. After the upload finishes, it's a good idea to review the imported transactions in the Bank Transactions area to make sure everything came in as expected. And that's how to import bank transactions from an Excel or CSV file into QuickBooks Online.